y'all, it's Betsy, and today we are going to do a Bliss box unboxing. Now typically on Wednesdays we take and do our keto and CrossFit update, but I didn't get to do this last month because it came in after we left for our Disney trip, and I'm super excited to open it, and plus we've only been back a few days and we haven't started working out again, so I didn't want it to be no progress, anything like that. Now, if you're not familiar with this, this is Bliss Box. There's a company that is across the street from us on our little hometown street, which is called Baubles and Bliss. They do a monthly subscription box, and I just adore them. They're some of the nicest people. Now, this I pay for out of my pocket, but it's something a little bit fun and a little bit different than your typical subscription boxes. I will leave them linked down in the description box down below. It's a great way to support small businesses, and it's something unique that you don't see everywhere else. And plus, look at this packaging. Isn't it so, so cute? So this is the box for January, which typically comes out in December. And when you open it up, it has the December, it's the December box, but it's for January pretty much. And it says the December Bliss Box Fresh Start. And then it tells you what is all in here, which they package it with really cute tissue paper. Now the first thing that's in here is a bag, like a makeup bag that says keep it simple on one side and you are amazing on the other. And the background of it is succulents. It is so cute. Love that. Then we also have a pair of leather earrings. They're like in a metallic-y champagne gold. Super duper cute. And I like leather earrings because I typically can't wear anything super heavy in my ears. And then there is like this cobalt blue Amish bracelet. Now, if you're down here in the South where we are, Amish bracelets are super duper popular, and I have a ton of these, but I don't have this color. And I always love anything that has like that iridescent-y stone on it. Let's see, what else did I get? What are these? It's an inspiration box. So you put it on your desk and change the card daily, and it has different inspiration quotes, which is a good idea to kind of help you stay positive. The first one says, be honest, have integrity, work hard, have patience, be dependable, always tell the truth, laugh out loud, keep your promises, be happy, love one another, use kind words, listen to your parents, always be grateful, help others, do your best, try new things, and smile. This is something great to keep on your desk and to kind of help you remember. And there's a ton of little cards in here just to give you a little bit of positive energy. Okay, there is, oh, this is super cute. It's a Tultex graphic tee that says your past does not define you. And it has a Bible verse behind it. Look how adorable that is. I love a good comfy t-shirt. Y'all know that's typically what I wear. Oh, that's cute. And then there's a little compass necklace, and it says going places. And it says, make a wish, put on your necklace, so many places, so many possibilities. You have the power to determine the direction, your direction. Wear your necklace as a reminder that you are headed for adventure, success, and incredible experiences along the way. That is super duper cute. And last but not least is, oh, pink champagne bath salts. I adore bath salts. I love, one thing you may not know about me, I love to take a bath. I typically take a hot bath every single day. It is my way to unwind and just kind of get a little bit of relaxation. So I love bath salts and bath bombs and those types of things. They just make me happy. So far, this box turned out absolutely adorable. I adore it. If you're interested, again, I will leave the link to their website in the description box down below. I don't know if you can still get this box, but if you can either call the store or email them or let them know. They're $55 without tax or shipping, so it kind of depends on where you're at, what your cost will be. But I guess that's it. So Again, I adore all of these products. If you like this video and like unboxings, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I am also, besides getting vlogs ready, I am trying to figure out my #1 makeup from 2018. So we'll see how that goes. So I guess that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to check us out on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my main channel, which is just Cutting Corners Vinyl. But I guess that's it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.